Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Perplexity AI, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get the Perplexity AI API? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to get an API in Perplexity anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're building an automation funnel, maybe with make.com, you know that you need an API key for it to work. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Perplexity AI dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Perplexity account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to get an API key, you do have to have the Pro plan to get access to that. You also have to have a payment method connected to Perplexity because it's going to be using tokens each time that API is activated. So once you signed up for the Pro plan, in order to get your API key, here on the left side, you're going to see your username. You want to click on this gear icon. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up your account settings, but you want to look up here on the top right. There's these 4 options. Click on API. Okay, with the Pro plan, they include $5 of monthly credits to use the API. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go ahead and scroll down until you see API keys, and you want to go ahead and click on generate. Okay, immediately creates an API key right here. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the copy button. Okay, now you are ready to go ahead and paste this into your other service provider that's asking for your Perplexity API key. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your API key in Perplexity, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.